Congrats on your maintenance termination case.
Thank you.
So what were the facts?
Yeah, let me tell you about it. So I had this client and I represented him in his divorce case, and he had to pay maintenance as part of his divorce to his ex-wife. And he found out that his ex-wife was cohabitating with her boyfriend, and they may be living as if they were a de facto husband and wife. We found some documents that showed his ex-wife and her boyfriend were actually on the title of the house together. They had a bank account together, and she was using his address as her address. And we used these documents to be able to terminate the maintenance award that my client was paying because she was cohabitating. And under the statute, cohabitation is a factor that can terminate maintenance.
Are there elements that go into what cohabitation is and what rises to the level of being able to terminate maintenance?
So the court can look at a lot of factors, and a lot of it is also case law based. But some of the factors they look at are how much time the parties are spending together. Do they spend holidays together? Are they on a bank account together? Do they own property together? And really, are they living as if they are husband and wife, sharing expenses? And in our case, that's exactly what happened.
And was it a private investigator?
Yes, there was a private investigator who was able to do some record search for my client's ex-wife and also get us some additional documents that showed that she was sharing all these assets and paying expenses with her boyfriend to show cohabitation.
What made you think that a private investigator was necessary on that case?
I think it was necessary because there were things that we couldn't find out on our own. It would have been very difficult with discovery and taken a long time, and the private investigator helped to speed that along. He also offered to do surveillance to find out when the ex-wife was at the boyfriend's house, but that really wasn't needed because she was there every day and even told my client that she was there every day. So we didn't need the surveillance aspect, just the documents.
Was there any retroactive relief granted?
Yes. So after the maintenance was terminated, we also requested that the judge ask the ex-wife to pay my client back some of the maintenance that she had received from him based on her living with the boyfriend and sharing expenses with him over several months. So the judge did grant several $1,000s of maintenance to be paid back to my client due to the cohabitation.
That's awesome. Was the client happy?
Yes, he was very happy, and he was excited to not have to pay maintenance any longer.
Sure he was. Yeah.